Welcome to another video. Tonight's video is on how to grow your social media audience. Growing a brand requires getting attention from the right people and at the right time. There are a few ways to do this, and with the right method, you'll be able to build followers and the right audience that actually engages with your content or your page. But how do you get these results consistently? Well, continue watching this video and you'll get the tips on all the things you can do right now. 5 ways to grow your social media audience. The first is using hashtags. A lot of people may not know the importance of using a hashtag or using many hashtags, but at the same time, you have to use hashtags that are relevant to your video. You don't want to use a hashtag just because it is popular or just because you know a lot of people research it. Use hashtags that are related to your video. So if someone per se is looking for how to start a video or how to cook a steak, and you have a video that is not related to that being generated in that search, well, the most they'll do is click and stay for a few seconds, because at the end of the day, they're still trying to find what they're looking for. And this will count against you because you won't have a lot of retention in your video. Figure out what your audience like and post more of that content. Meaning, if you are posting about maybe makeup, funny videos, or you are providing information on a certain topic, if that video has gone viral in a short space of time, or you realize a lot of people are interacting with that video or post, try to do something with the similar method in your other videos coming up. Figure out when your audience are mostly online. This will help you know when to post. And all social media page comes with a report, or an analyst report as you may call it. This will tell you who is watching your video, where are they from, and what time are they mostly interacting with your videos. Post consistently, but post with a purpose. Meaning post about a specific topic, or post about something that is relevant to your brand or channel. Actively engage with your audience. And this is very important. People like feeling like they are connected to you in some way. That's how they build trust. That's how they're able to feel like, okay, we're friends. I know this person. I trust this person. So whenever they get a notification popping up on their phone saying you have posted a new picture, a new video, whatever it is that pops up on their notification, they'll be comfortable, or they'll be eager to go and check what it is. What are you talking about today? What are you posting about today? I know I said I was going to give you 5 important tips, but this one is like an icing on the cake for me. It is collaborate with micro influencers. These are people who have 50K and less followers. Why micro and not macro influencers that are people who have 500Ks and more followers? It's because when you have a smaller channel, people are more able to engage with you. They feel more trusting of you, and they are able to interact, or will interact with your posts more frequently than people with 500 up to 1 million viewers. And these influencers, they are more likely to do something for you, the newcomer, at a lower rate, or maybe even free, just for exchange of service or a product or whatever it may be. But at the end of the day, they're able, or they're willing to do this at a less cost than somebody that is well established, has over 1 million views, and feel like there is nothing much you have to offer to them. They are more the ones offering to you. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you always get an alert whenever I post something new. Okay, remember, I always give you my views. I always give you as is for me, how I learned it. If you feel like you want to suggest anything, please leave a comment, share this video, and like. See you next time.